Hello everybody. Today we will learn about shallow copy. Last time, if you remember, we discussed about the copy of an object. So today we will make a program on shallow copy. So first of all, I'll create my project. So here I will give it a name. So my project, and I'll take it as Java project. I'll give it a name. Say I'll code Java. And then I can directly finish it off. I don't open it perspective. I'll put it as new. So my core Java project has been created, and now I'll move to. I don't require this. So here I'll go to my source folder and click right mouse button on this. Then you can create a new class. Click on the class and give it a name. Say I'll give it my class as shallow copy. Shallow copy. Class name is shallow copy and package is default. So here I can put it as a public class method. So here in the shallow copy, say I will take two variables, simple one variable. I'll go with the int a, a equal to 10. Another variable I'll take int b, this is 20. Now in shallow copy, what I'm trying to do, I will create I'll create one more, one more, just one method is here, or I can directly go. This is I have created two data members, two instance variable of this class, and now you can directly move to public static void main. Here you can create object of this class. So you will write shallow copy and take it object one equal to new shallow copy. You have instantiated your object. So now after this, I just want to make a copy of it. So I'll create another object. Say it is shallow copy. Now this is OB, and as I'm doing shallow copy, so what I want, OB2 should also have the same. OB2 should also have the same thing what OB1 is having. So here I have done the shallow copy of it. Shallow copy of it means when I'm copying the whole object uh, as a whole object to another object. So in this case, you are seeing OB1 has been copied to OB2 as a whole. So here that means you have two data members here, A and B, which are of the class data members, like class instance variable shallow copy class, that is A and B. So now let us suppose how to check it out, because whatever is in OB1 that should also be there in OB2, because you have copied that. So public void display, I am making one function so that I will give you the result as a proof, so that you will be able to see that whatsoever is in your OB1 object, that will also be there in OB2. So println, you can say value of a is plus a, and another one you can take system out dot println is value of v B is, and here you can print the value of B. So that means what you are trying to see here, whatever you have with value with object one, like ob1 dot display, ob1 dot display. So before running ob2 as copied object, so I just want to show you the output of this one. So let us run it and see what we are getting in ob1. Run it and try to see what you are going to get in ob1. Here you are seeing OB1 is having A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Now I have not created this OB1 with a new keyword, OB2 with a new keyword. Rather I am copying OB2 from OB1. Means, so let us see whether that is copied. If it is copied, so you can just write here display. Means whatever you are seeing with the OB1, everything will be with OB2. So you can write down here one more line, SOP OB2 data, OB2 data. Now after this value should also be same in case of your OB2. Again, save it and then run it. Seeing what you see in OB1, everything has been copied in OB2. So in shallow copy, the whole object is copied to OB1. That means as a reference, it creates a reference. Means in actual, it will not be copied. Rather, it will be creating a reference. For OB2. OB1's reference is being created for OB2. Now whatever will be with OB1, that will also be with OB2. So this is all about shallow copy. You will have to keep in mind that this is the important part of this one, and it is just creating a reference. What is creating a reference? OB2 is creating a reference to OB1, so that whatever data, whatever OB1 pointing to data in as instance data members, so the same thing will also be OB2 pointing to. That means whatever changes you will make in OB1, everything will be made in OB2. Now see this, I'll do it little different. Now I'll make it 20 and I'll do it 40. So when you will run it, I'll clear this first. When you will run it, see the difference. You did make change in OB1 and that is automatically getting changed in OB2. Just see this and see the output thing. So whatever in OB1 that has passed to OB2. Actually it is not passed, it is just creating a reference. So here this is all about shallow copy of an object. So thank you very much for seeing this videos.